Hello everyone. Before starting, important info. This video is AI generated and created purely for informational purposes. We encourage you to focus more on listening than watching to get the most out of the content. Hold on to your hats, folks, because Nvidia just blew the roof off with their third quarter earnings. The numbers are in, and they are nothing short of spectacular. Financial analysts are buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. We're not talking small potatoes here. This is a financial windfall of epic proportions. We're talking a revenue projection of $32.5 billion. Yes, you heard that right, $32.5 billion. That's a staggering figure that has left everyone in awe. That's more than double what they pulled in last year. Investors are over the moon celebrating this phenomenal growth. It's a testament to Nvidia's strategic vision and execution. The stock market went wild. Traders couldn't contain their excitement as Nvidia's stock surged. Nvidia's share price? Soaring high at $140.80. This meteoric rise is a clear indicator of the market's confidence in Nvidia's future. What's fueling this rocket ship? Three little letters: AI. Artificial intelligence is the driving force behind this explosive growth. Artificial intelligence is the name of the game, and Nvidia is holding all the cards. Their cutting-edge technology is setting new standards in the industry. Companies are throwing billions at AI, and guess who's making the chips that power it all? Nvidia is at the forefront, supplying the essential hardware that makes AI advancements possible. You got it, Nvidia. Their innovation and leadership in AI technology are unmatched. They're the undisputed champs of the AI chip market. No other company comes close to their level of expertise and market dominance. Their GPUs are the gold standard, and everyone wants a piece of the action. From data centers to personal devices, Nvidia's technology is in high demand. This is just the tip of the iceberg, folks. The potential applications of AI are vast and varied, and Nvidia is poised to capitalize on every opportunity. The AI revolution is here, and Nvidia is leading the charge. From healthcare to finance, from autonomous vehicles to smart cities, Nvidia's AI technology is transforming industries and shaping the future. The possibilities are endless, and Nvidia is at the helm, steering us into a new era of innovation and progress. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the future with Nvidia and AI at the forefront. Let's talk about this AI demand because it's exploding like a supernova. The world is witnessing an unprecedented surge in artificial intelligence technology, and it's reshaping every industry you can think of. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, AI is the driving force behind the next wave of innovation. Everyone wants in on the action. We're talking self-driving cars that navigate city streets with ease, talking robots that can hold conversations and assist in daily tasks, and algorithms so advanced they can predict market trends and consumer behavior with astonishing accuracy. Okay, maybe not predicting the future in a sci-fi sense, but you get the idea. These technologies are becoming integral to our daily lives. This isn't some passing fad, it's a transformative shift that's here to stay. Businesses and governments alike are investing heavily in AI to stay competitive and drive growth. Analysts are predicting that global AI spending will hit a mind-blowing $42.6 billion this year alone. That's a staggering amount of money being funneled into AI research, development, and implementation. And who's perfectly positioned to ride this tsunami of cash? Nvidia, baby. This tech giant has carved out a niche as the go-to provider for AI hardware. Their chips are the brains behind the operation. Nvidia's GPUs are the powerhouse that enables complex AI computations, making them indispensable in the AI ecosystem. They're the engine powering the AI revolution. From autonomous vehicles to smart factories, Nvidia's technology is at the heart of it all, driving efficiency and innovation. And guess what? The demand is only going to get bigger. As more industries adopt AI, the need for powerful computing solutions will skyrocket, and Nvidia is ready to meet that demand head-on. We're talking about a future where AI is everywhere. Imagine smart homes that anticipate your needs, healthcare systems that diagnose and treat illnesses with pinpoint accuracy, and financial services that offer personalized advice in real time. Nvidia, they're going to be right there, raking in the profits. With their cutting-edge technology and strategic positioning, Nvidia is set to be a major player in the AI-driven future. So, buckle up and get ready to ride the AI tsunami. Now let's give some love to the folks over at Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, better known as TSMC. They're the ones actually building these incredible Nvidia chips. And guess what? They're posting record profits too. See, Nvidia designs the chips, but TSMC makes them a reality. It's a beautiful partnership. TSMC's success is a clear indicator of the sheer volume of AI chips flying out the door. They're working overtime to keep up with Nvidia's orders, and that's a beautiful thing to see. It's a testament to the incredible demand for AI technology, and as long as that demand keeps surging, both Nvidia and TSMC will continue to reap the rewards. But hold on, because Nvidia isn't resting on their laurels. They're already gearing up for the next big thing, Blackwell. This is the code name for their next-generation graphics architecture, and let me tell you, it's going to be a game changer. We're talking even faster processing speeds, even more powerful AI capabilities. Blackwell is going to blow the doors off the competition. Mark my words, it's going to send shockwaves through the industry. But that's not all. Nvidia's also got their trusty Hopper chips, which are still going strong. They're the workhorse of the AI world, and they're going to continue to drive growth for years to come. Competition? What competition? Now, some folks might be wondering about the competition. Are there other players in the AI chip game? Sure, there are a few, but let's be real, nobody comes close to Nvidia's dominance. They're light years ahead. They've got the technology, they've got the market share, and they've got the momentum. It's like trying to race a Ferrari with a used scooter. It's just not a fair fight. Nvidia has built an incredible ecosystem around their chips, and it's only getting stronger. They're the 800-pound gorilla in the room, and everyone else is just trying to avoid getting stepped on. The software story, CUDA locks in developers. But here's the thing about Nvidia, they're not just a hardware company. They have a vision that extends far beyond just creating powerful GPUs. They've also got a killer software platform called CUDA. CUDA stands for Compute Unified Device Architecture, and it's a game changer in the world of parallel computing. And this, my friends, is what truly sets them apart. CUDA allows developers to harness the full power of Nvidia's GPUs to accelerate their applications. CUDA is a parallel computing platform that makes it easier for developers to create AI applications. It provides a comprehensive development environment with tools, libraries, and APIs. Think of it like this: Nvidia is providing the tools and the playground for developers to build the future of AI. With CUDA, they can develop applications that are faster, more efficient, and more powerful. And guess what? Developers love CUDA. It's not just about the power it brings, it's also about the community and support that comes with it. It's become the industry standard. From academic research to commercial applications, CUDA is the go-to platform for parallel computing. So not only does Nvidia have the best hardware, but they've also got the software ecosystem to back it up. That's a powerful combination. With CUDA, Nvidia is not just shaping the present, but also paving the way for the future of computing. Beyond gaming, AI's reach into every industry. Now, some of you might be thinking, Jim, this is all well and good, but I don't play video games. Why should I care about Nvidia? And that's a fair question. But here's the thing. AI isn't just about gaming anymore, it's infiltrating every single industry imaginable. We're talking healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, you name it. AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work, and Nvidia's chips are at the forefront of this transformation. So even if you never touch a joystick, Nvidia's technology is going to impact your life in profound ways. Risks? Sure, but the upside is astronomical. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. There are always risks involved with any investment. The tech industry is notoriously volatile, and Nvidia is no exception. But here's my take. The potential upside with Nvidia is astronomical. We're talking about a company that's perfectly positioned to capitalize on the biggest technological revolution since the internet. The AI market is projected to reach trillions of dollars in value over the next decade, and Nvidia is leading the charge. To me, that's a risk worth taking. Nvidia, a long-term investment for the AI age. So, what's the bottom line? Nvidia is a long-term investment for the AI age. They're the dominant player in a rapidly growing market, and they show no signs of slowing down. Their third-quarter earnings are just a taste of what's to come. Now, I'm not saying you should go out and bet the farm on Nvidia. Investing always involves risk, and you should always do your own research. But if you're looking for a company that's riding the wave of the future, Nvidia is a name you need to know. Don't miss the boat. Get on board the Nvidia train. The AI revolution is here, and Nvidia is the engine driving it forward. They're the ones paving the way for a future filled with self-driving cars, personalized medicine, and intelligent machines that can make our lives easier and more fulfilling. This is an opportunity to be a part of something truly transformative. Don't be the person who missed out on the internet boom. Don't be the person who said no to Apple stock in the early days. Get on board the Nvidia train and be a part of the AI revolution. What do you think? Join the AI conversation. Now I want to hear from you. Are you as bullish on Nvidia as I am? What are your thoughts on the AI revolution? Let's get a conversation going in the comments below. This is a topic that's going to shape our future, so let's talk about it. Don't be shy, share your thoughts, your hopes, your concerns. The future of AI is in our hands, and I'm excited to see where it takes us.